Just had to do this video for all my model railroad enthusiasts, master modelers, and people who really do one heck of a good job with their model railroads. I don't quite have the skill that a lot of my good friends, especially down in Tennessee, are at it, but I want you to hear the horn on this I have the Galloping Goose sound system in that RDC, and the reason I put it in was because the unavailability of the RDC sound system. I have one in my other RDC, but was having trouble getting one for this one. So I said, why not go with the Galloping Goose sound system? I love it. And that's just one of 15 different sound or horn sound effects they have for that. So I figured I would put that on there for shits and giggles. And this sound system in that Western Pacific RDC there of the Galloping Goose is almost like this Digitrax sound system with a bad muffler or exhaust system. But I kind of like it. It's different. And I'm not a purist like a lot of you guys are. I know it sounds like Canadian geese, and I have them flying over my house every day, summer and winter. Well, I just had to do this for you purists out there. You either love it or hate it, and I kind of like it. Toodles!